How to set quick share to use Wi-Fi only with mobile data on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. After that, we scroll down and then tap on connected devices. Now at the top here, tap on quick share. Then we go down. Now in here, tap on use Wi-Fi only. Tap on the toggle button if you want to set quick share to use Wi-Fi only. If you turn it off, it can use both Wi-Fi and mobile data or cellular data. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that is how you can set quick share to use Wi-Fi only or with mobile data on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus or S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching.